What would you use to break glass? That's a question I asked hundreds of people. I love the looks of confusion in comments like, why would I do that? Or, I would throw something. Many of us have never actually broken a window on purpose. Here are a few answers I received from various sources on what they would use to break glass. Wrench, glass punch, baseball bat, brick, rock, jackhammer. Okay, wait, a jackhammer? Golf ball, hatchet, nail set, and more. Then I got a response I wasn't prepared for. My elbow. He then explained how he had been a firefighter, and there were a few instances in homes when he entered through the window. That brought the point home. Glass is fragile and we have it installed everywhere. We can all agree that glass is not the strongest building material, but it offers a clean, clear view of our surroundings, it lets light in, and we simply can't live without it. Ask yourself, what is the #1 method for stopping a break into a building or car? Most of you probably set cameras or alarms to deter intruders, but they pretty much only work after someone has broken in. And with a mask and a rock, anyone can get in as they please. Today's criminals are more brazen in their actions, and some even want to be seen. They don't care about cameras, alarms, or even the police. Criminals want what they want now, and they don't care who they hurt to get it. Cameras and alarms can embolden these people. What good does it do to you for someone to watch what happened after it's done or wait for help to arrive that may not get there? Especially when you can prevent it in the first place with affordable ballistic glass, also known as bulletproof glass, or with security film. How much more satisfying and less scary is it when you realize you stopped them in their tracks, and they couldn't get to you, or to what you love? Don't take a chance on losing everything. Call us today for a free quote.